118-3. Ayan, so full metal unit, metal yung front assembly, metal din yung receiver. So check natin yung markings. Teka, hindi ko matanggal. Ayan. So yung markings, ito. Yung pa rin. So 416A8. Okay, so metal receiver. Selector is ambi. Ito yung bolt release. Magazine release is ambi din. So trigger is metal, trigger guard is metal, polymer grip, sights, ayan yung sights nya. And then charging handle, metal. May sling swivel na rin for sling attachment. Tube is metal, 5 position. So 5 position adjustment, and then yung stock, ito guys, HA stock. And then kasama niya out of the box magazine is mid cap 120 rounds. So internal parts is reinforced na. Okay, so test natin. Again, shoutout kay Sir Adam. I-upgrade pala namin to guys ng 600 FPS. So abangan nyo yung magiging video namin dito. Bakit? Okay. So check nyo na lang guys. Upload kami ng video nito na upgrade na siya ng 600 FPS. Thank you.